Hello all, a little update. Again, it's mostly sanding sadly, and filling and sanding and filling and sanding. I've gone around just sort of sanded the top, so it'll give me an idea as to what are the lowers that need filling in and stuff. I put a piece of fiberglass over the top, and I'm slowly sanding that and filling that as I go along, taking that shape on. Cleat will go there, presumably the one from underneath with the bolt, and then when I get some filler I need to go and get some fairing compound, I presume. I don't really want to use like P38 car filler because I know that would absorb water, so yeah, but we're getting there. I used that bit of wood, filled it in, chopped it off with a saw, sanded it all smooth, barring it just wants a little bit of filling in there and a bit of tidying up really, and I've got to get in and sort of sand that side all the way around. But I've run out of sanding disc as well now. It's had a second coat of fiberglass resin, polyester fiberglass resin. Seat box also second coat, and then what I've done is I've got the filler or the polyester resin and a bit of glass bubbles, and then sealed it all from the inside. Annoyingly, I was hoping it would flow all the way out, so I put tape on the outside edge, and it worked along there, came all the way to the edge, but on this one, well, you can see that, there you go. Yeah, it didn't come to the edge at all, so now I have to put some filler in there and smooth that out better. Like I said, it is getting painted. All these screws will be pushed in a bit further and then maybe even filled, don't know yet. I've got no plans to take it back apart. So yeah, that's the only bit of update on the moment. It's getting the time to get on it really. Work's picked up a little bit, so I'm out in the old van a bit more, but that side is already sort of sanded down. I picked up a new sander today, and God, I should have bought a new one ages ago, because what a difference it made. Zapped for all that horrible crap that was all on the side. See, it's still down the bottom, and I've gone through 6 sanding discs just to get that far. It kills them. I don't know what they put on there, but I've run out of time. Well, not run out of time. The discs is just so blunt now. I've given up because I've got a bit of spillage over there I've got to cure and get through that. But taking shape. So not much of an update, but a bit of progress, that's the main thing. There you go, see you later, bye.